A cluttered workspace isn't just frustrating, it's inefficient. Magnetic tool holders are a brilliant solution for keeping your tools organized, visible, and within easy reach. In this video, we'll showcase the 7 best magnetic tool holders that can transform your workspace into a tidy, efficient area. From heavy-duty strips to innovative designs, there's something here for every need. Let's dive right in with number 1. Number 1. Master Magnetics 24 Heavy-Duty Magnetic Tool Holder. The Master Magnetics 24 Heavy-Duty Magnetic Tool Holder is a game-changer for anyone looking to streamline their workspace. Designed with a solid steel frame, this magnetic tool holder exudes durability and strength. It can withstand the rigors of heavy-duty use, making it perfect for both professional workshops and home garages. The 24-inch length provides ample storage space for a variety of tools, including screwdrivers, pliers, wrenches, and even heavier items like hammers. The magnets embedded in the strip offer impressive holding power, ensuring your tools stay securely in place without slipping. This high magnetic force means you can trust it to keep your workspace organized and your tools safe. One standout feature is its sleek black coating, which not only looks professional but also protects the strip from rust and scratches, ensuring long-term use. Installation is simple, with pre-drilled mounting holes and all the necessary hardware included. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, the Master Magnetics tool holder offers the perfect balance of reliability, functionality, and aesthetic appeal.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. DURATECH 4Pack12 Magnetic Tool Holder Strip. The DURATECH 4Pack12 Magnetic Tool Holder Strips are an excellent option for those needing flexible and comprehensive storage solutions. With 4 separate 12-inch strips in one package, this set offers a combined length of 48 inches, providing more than enough room to organize your tools efficiently. Each strip is crafted from high-grade steel, ensuring both strength and durability. The magnets are exceptionally strong, capable of securely holding various tools such as wrenches, hammers, scissors, and more. This robust magnetic force ensures your tools stay in place, even in a busy workshop environment. What sets the DURATECH set apart is its adaptability. The individual strips can be mounted together for a continuous line of storage or separately in different areas, allowing you to customize the layout according to your workspace needs. This feature is especially handy for larger workshops or garages with multiple stations. The installation process is a breeze with screws and hardware included. Additionally, the strips are coated with a protective finish that resists scratches and rust, ensuring they maintain their sleek appearance over time. Whether you're outfitting a new workspace or upgrading an existing one, these tool holders provide a practical and cost-effective solution for keeping your tools organized and easily accessible. Number 3. Rapala Magnetic Tool Holder 2-Place. The Rapala Magnetic Tool Holder 2-Place is a compact, space-saving solution for organizing smaller tools. Measuring just the right size for tight or confined workspaces, this holder is perfect for those who need to maximize every inch of available space. Crafted with durability in mind, this tool holder is constructed from high-quality materials that withstand wear and tear. Despite its smaller size, the magnetic force is surprisingly strong, ensuring your tools stay firmly in place. This makes it ideal for holding lighter tools, such as pliers, scissors, or small wrenches. The 2-place design allows for quick access to your most used tools. Its compact frame means it can fit in areas where larger holders might not, such as toolboxes, boats, or even mobile workstations. Installation is straightforward, with screws included in the package for easy mounting on any flat surface. The sleek and understated design of the Rapala tool holder ensures it blends seamlessly into any workspace. While compact, it doesn't compromise on effectiveness, making it a reliable choice for those who value functionality over size. If you're looking for a minimalist yet robust solution for organizing your essential tools, this product delivers excellent value. Number 4. RAK Magnetic Wristband for holding screws, nails. The RAK Magnetic Wristband redefines tool organization by bringing convenience directly to your wrist. Designed for portability, this wristband features strong embedded magnets that securely hold small metal items like screws, nails, and bolts. This eliminates the need for a fixed tool holder when working in dynamic or hard-to-reach spaces. Made with premium nylon fabric, the wristband is both durable and lightweight. The adjustable strap ensures a snug fit for any wrist size, while the breathable material adds comfort during prolonged use. Its ergonomic design makes it an indispensable tool for carpenters, electricians, and DIY enthusiasts. The strength of the magnets is impressive, holding multiple small items at once without compromising on security. This feature proves invaluable when climbing ladders, crawling under cabinets, or working in tight spaces where constant movement is required. It's a practical solution for keeping essential items within easy reach, saving time and effort. Beyond its functionality, the DURATECH magnetic wristband stands out as a thoughtful addition to any toolkit. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, this wristband enhances efficiency and ensures you spend less time searching for small components and more time focusing on your project. Number 5. HOSHANHO Magnetic Knife Holder for Wall. The HOSHANHO Magnetic Knife Holder for Wall is a stylish and versatile organizer that adapts seamlessly to various uses. Originally designed for kitchens, this 16-inch stainless steel magnetic strip is also a fantastic option for tool organization in garages, workshops, or craft rooms. Made from premium stainless steel, the holder is rust-resistant and exceptionally durable, ensuring longevity even in high-moisture environments. The embedded magnetic strip delivers a strong and consistent hold, capable of securely storing tools such as screwdrivers, pliers, and small hammers. The evenly distributed magnetic force ensures items stay in place without slipping. Its minimalist design is both functional and visually appealing. The sleek metallic finish adds a modern touch to any workspace, while its compact size ensures it doesn't take up unnecessary room. Installation is straightforward, with mounting hardware included for quick setup on walls, cabinets, or workbenches. The HOSHANHO magnetic knife holder combines aesthetics with practicality, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a sophisticated yet functional organization solution. Whether used for tools or kitchen knives, this holder enhances both the appearance and efficiency of your workspace. Number 6. Holstery MagMaster Magnetic Tool Holder. The Holstery MagMaster Magnetic Tool Holder is a revolutionary take on traditional tool organization. Compact and portable, this clip-on holder is designed for professionals who need quick access to their tools while on the move. Its industrial-grade construction ensures durability, even in the toughest job site conditions. The magnetic plate is incredibly powerful, capable of securely holding heavier tools like hammers and wrenches. The compact size doesn't compromise its functionality, making it a versatile choice for various applications. The clip-on design allows you to attach it to belts, tool bags, or workbenches, providing unmatched convenience and mobility. This tool holder is particularly useful for those working in dynamic environments, such as construction sites or outdoor projects. Its portability ensures that essential tools are always within reach, reducing downtime and increasing efficiency. For professionals seeking a blend of innovation, strength, and convenience, the Holstery MagMaster is an exceptional option. Number 7. RamPro 12 Magnetic Tool Holder Strip Magnet Bar. The RamPro 12 Magnetic Tool Holder Strip is a simple yet effective solution for organizing tools in small to medium workspaces. Constructed with sturdy steel, this holder is built for durability and long-term use. The embedded magnets are powerful enough to hold various tools, including screwdrivers, pliers, and lightweight hammers. Measuring 12 inches, the strip is compact enough to fit in tight spaces, while still offering sufficient storage for frequently used tools. Its sleek black finish adds a professional touch, blending seamlessly into any workspace. The protective coating also prevents scratches and rust, ensuring both the strip and your tools remain in pristine condition. Installation is quick and easy, with all mounting hardware included in the package. Whether mounted on walls, cabinets, or workbenches, the RamPro magnetic tool holder ensures your tools are organized, accessible, and secure. It's a practical and budget-friendly choice for those looking to declutter and enhance their workspace. And there you have it, the 7 best magnetic tool holders to help you organize your workspace and boost productivity. From heavy-duty strips to portable wristbands, these options cater to diverse needs and preferences. Let us know which one caught your eye in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.